Now, it's important to note that support resistance does not give you a way of predicting price. It just gives you a way of controlling risk. Technical analysis is not useful for predicting where price is going to go. Statistically, you're not going to be right any more than half the time, but it gives you a really good way of structuring risk. Support resistance gives you a place to say, okay, I can wait for price to get to this arbitrary location on the chart that I think is a, for example, support zone, and I can buy there, and then I can put a stop loss below that zone and a target somewhere above. Now you have a risk you can define, and then you also have a potential for profit. It just makes things very, very simple and easy to structure risk. That's the usefulness behind support resistance. So I think one of the first things you should do is you should get away from using this idea that you're going to be using any form of technical analysis, whether it's moving averages, Fibonacci, trend lines, support resistance, whatever else you may be using. You need to get away from the idea that technical analysis is a way for you to predict where price is going, and instead embrace the idea that technical analysis only functions as a way of risk control. This does a couple really good things for your psychology. It helps you detach yourself from the outcomes. It helps yourself feel way more comfortable and confident that what you're doing is actually going to be able to allow you to make more money than you lose long term without having to predict where price is going to go. And then it just makes you more peaceful, and it gives you more peace and equanimity whenever you're looking at charts and you realize, like, okay, I've lost the last 3 trades, or I've won the last 3 trades, right? You're not going to get too happy during your good fortune, nor will you get too scornful in your misfortune. Approaching technical analysis as a risk management tool instead of a price prediction tool just helps your emotions stay more flat.